Hello guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, let's quickly understand what we are going to learn in the next couple of videos so that you will have an idea like what will be the future plans, okay? What we are going to learn, okay? So what is the idea of knowing all these things, right? So it will basically help you improve in solving problems, right? So in order to improve in solving the problems whichever you get in the interview or in your day-to-day life, so the first point I would say is like devise a plan on solving problems. You should create a particular plan, okay, and then you should solve the problem. So whatever we have learned in the past few lectures, okay. And the second step is, we can say, is mastering some common problem solving patterns. Okay, so patterns, if this term is like confusing you, you can think it as a blueprint which we can use to like solve the problems. I know it's like not most of the times it will be you can apply this, but in case if you get, let's say, 10 problems, in those 10 problems you can apply it in at least 3 to 4 problems, right? So 3 to 4 problems you can use it, you can solve them with the help of the most commonly used problem solving patterns. Okay, so it's worth knowing about the problem solving patterns because sometimes they can be really a lifesaver. Okay, so now let's see some of the most common problem solving patterns. Okay, so we have a frequency counter, we have multiple pointers, we have sliding window. And frequency counter is not like frequency of a sound or something. Okay, so we'll understand like in detail about all these things from next video onwards. Okay, so we have frequency counter, multiple pointers, sliding window, divide and conquer, dynamic programming, greedy algorithm, backtracking, etc. Okay, and I'll give you guys enough opportunity to like practice all these things. I'll do a question and then I'll drop some questions for you guys to practice as well, so that you can parallelly practice whatever you are learning, right? Whatever you are learning, you can right away practice those concepts. Okay, so this way your concepts will get stronger. Okay, so yeah, you will get a great grip on the concepts right away. So we'll be doing practice a lot from now onwards. Okay, so make sure you're ready with the VS Code or whichever code editor you are using, or in case if you're doing programming in the browser, then make sure you are ready with it. Or I would suggest you to use some code editor, right? So that it will be handy for you guys. Okay, so yeah, so these are the things which we are going to learn from for the next couple of videos, and then I'll start the first video with the frequency counter. So yeah, this is it for this lecture. See you in the next one.